Okay, so how to draw mascots or cartoon mascots. In this video, I will tell you about that, and also I will draw a mascot and show you how exactly it is done. Okay, so let's go. Hello and welcome to Digital Pastel. My name is Abhi Basu. I am a freelance cartoonist and illustrator. And in this channel, I share my experience and knowledge regarding cartooning and illustration. Okay, so today I will tell you about mascots. They are the representative of particular company or any event. Normally you see mascots in any sporting events like Olympics or any World Cup. Okay, and some big organization also they have mascots. The purpose of that, if you see the mascot, you remember the particular event or the organization. So normally mascots, they have an animal head with a human body. They have arms and legs, but the head is normally an animal or any imaginary character. So normally these characters, they are very friendly and they are always smiling. They do various type of activities. So that's the role of a mascot, right? So now I will draw a mascot and you can get an idea of how it is done and how you can use your idea to create a mascot. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so that's how you can create a mascot, right? You can use your own ideas, or if you are working for a particular client, they will tell you what type of idea they have. So hope you have liked the video. If yes, then please click on the digital pastel logo on the right hand side to subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that whenever there is a new video, you get the notification. Also you can share with friends, write your comments.